If you're a real estate agent who knows what you should be doing to grow your business, but you find yourself avoiding those tasks because you hate them, this video is for you. The tasks that you're avoiding that you know you should be doing that will help you grow your business. Things like creating marketing content and generating cold and warm outreach contacts, you know those things will grow your business. Maybe your email inbox is drowning you with emails, or you have other administrative tasks that are keeping you from the things that are going to create new opportunities for your business. But the truth is, the things that you're avoiding and the administrative tasks taking all your time are not the reason that you got into real estate. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an AI marketing system for real estate agents that's built around one simple idea. The simple concept is having an AI back office that handles either all the tasks that you hate or all the tasks that are consuming your time so that you can spend more time with clients and closings. The truth is, most agents don't struggle because they're bad at real estate. They struggle because their business growth is tied to tasks that they don't enjoy or they're not wired for. These tasks include things like creating and posting content consistently, following up perfectly, staying organized, and handling all of the administrative tasks. Again, AI doesn't replace real estate agents. AI replaces the back office work that is draining you. And that lens is the focal point of this entire marketing system. And that's why I call this system the AI back office. Think of it as the behind the scenes support that is handling all of your marketing and operations without having to babysit it. It focuses on several things. Number one, creating all of your marketing content. Number two, starting and maintaining conversations. Three, following up with leads. And number four, eliminating as much of the admin busy work as possible. With some of the videos I've already posted on here, you've seen pieces of this system, but I want to show you a broad overview of all the components together. The first piece is content creation for your social media channels. Now, I've already done a demo of this particular module. I'll put a link to it right here. The reason why this is one of the first components is because marketing content creates opportunities for your business. This isn't about creating content for the sake of content. The reason why we want to create content is because it creates inbound opportunities for you. The content creation modules will help you with everything from generating content ideas to creating the content that's specific to each platform, coming up with script ideas for videos, and even helping you generate the video or photo that is necessary for each of those posts. You still get to show up as yourself, but you're not wasting all that time staring at a blank screen or creating content that doesn't go anywhere. The real goal here isn't perfection. It's having a consistent stream of content without spending the time or the mental effort to do it. The second part of the system is all about outreach and conversation starters. The real secret to having more transactions in real estate is having more real estate conversations. Now, how do you start more real estate conversations without spending more time? Again, this is where the AI back office system shines. First, the system will help you follow up with leads generated from the inbound marketing that we've done from the content creation. Secondly, you know that your database is one of the best sources for business because these are warm contacts. There are modules in the system to help you market to your database because it's one of those things you mean to do, but you just don't get to it. And even if you're starting from scratch and you don't have a database to work with, these systems will help you build a database. But we also have cold outreach systems that will help you generate calls without having to make them yourself. Now, I've done a demo on that system. If you want to watch that video, I'll put a link to it right here. But see, these are tasks that drain you. You mean to get to them, you just don't get there. And it's one more way that the AI back office shines because it's eliminating those tasks from your business that you hate to do. The third part of the system is all about lead follow-up and nurture. Let's be honest, the majority of leads you generate are not ready to do business today. But the majority of real estate agents are terrible when it comes to following up. Why are agents terrible at following up? One, following up takes a lot of time. Two, you have to have systems in place to track your follow-up. And number three, it's just one of those tasks that you hate, so you avoid it. But there's a reason why they say the money is in the follow-up. The beautiful part about the AI back office is that the friction points that cause you not to follow up are eliminated when AI is doing it for you. And the last component of the back office system is all about operations and administrative tasks. See, when we can free up your time from doing those things, you now have more time to spend with clients and prospects that want your help. See, most agents don't consider the amount of time they spend doing administrative tasks. Again, administrative tasks are something where AI shines. These tasks include things like handling your email, updating your database, follow up reminders, and even managing your calendar. See, anything that you're spending time on day to day or week to week, these are tasks where AI can do it for you and you get that time back. And for many of our clients, just the amount of time they free up on these administrative tasks pays for the system by itself. The reason why the AI back office works is because it's not asking agents to become different people. It's not based on motivation, willpower, or remembering to do it. It simply helps you install a support system where support is missing. The AI back office system doesn't make you work harder. It simply helps you grow without you having to carry all of it. Over the next few weeks, I will be putting out more and more content to show you how the back office system handles all of these tasks that we're talking about. If you're tired of doing the parts of this business that you need to in order to grow, you don't need another tool. What you need is a better back office, an AI back office that focuses on content creation, outreach, lead follow up, and handling all of the administrative tasks so that you can focus on what matters the most: clients and closings. If you're intrigued and want to know more about the components of this system, then subscribe. I'm going to be putting out a bunch of videos showcasing how these tools help you get the support that you're looking for. I'm going to be breaking down each component of the AI back office in future videos. And if you want help installing the AI back office into your business, check the link below to schedule a discovery call. You're going to love these components and how it provides the support that you've been looking for. So, curious, leave a comment below. What's missing in your business that would provide you the support needed to grow? I'll respond to every single comment down below. So take care, and I'll see you in the next video.